Hello, everyone. Welcome all for the second session on the Sandbox. Today also we will be checking the Sandbox customization. Like I said, today we will check what can be done using it basically. So, in the last session we had seen students to using the students tool. What was done is the changes on the UI, color, photo, icons, you know, background color, image, video or the changes that we had done on the site. Here we will see the using different. Using is what you could do in itself tells that on the UI, in the interface, the text, whatever that is available, you would be able to make the changes. And what changes? Let's see. This input session. I'm going to click on user interface text. So I'm already there in the sandbox session. If you don't know how to activate a sandbox, in the last session, we showed you where exactly you can activate sandbox. You can go to that. Now I'm activating as soon as I click on user interface text. This is the page that I have landed. What it says is search interface. That is whatever text that we need you could search that, you could find that, replace them based on the need. Like, let's say, I'll go back to the page. Um, the user constraints say that I don't want certain text to be displayed anywhere because maybe it's not, they don't use it. The research is in there in the factory, but they want to be represented in another way, that way. In such cases, how do you do it? You cannot do every place. This user interface text, if you make some changes, if you find the text, when you click on I show what can be done, even the messages, if there is any messages, that also it finds. Anywhere you have added the text customization, there you have, let's say, uh, let's say workspace. Okay. Or let's find some other way. Because workspace is something that is mostly used in the system. So, okay, sustainability. Okay, so there is this word. I say, I don't want the sustainability word to be in the word. Wanted to be or represented in another or in another language. How do I do it? So, any language be it, they could do that. Um, how do we do this? If they you find a sustainability word and you replace it with some word, I'll show you how it can be done in another language. So, so we find this and I'll say I want to replace it. I have printed, it's a kind of, no, I have printed this. And I want you to match the K with sustainability and replace it with this. Yeah, I'm just showing this is a convection. So just want to do it, want to explore massive how it might look like. Um, so if you want to match the complete word of phrase, or if you want just identify some word or matching that word in the line, so you can do this. You want to say activities. You can search. So this would take some time based on how many words are available on system. So if there is some usual word that we do that it is generously used, see now the search results did not take much time. But at certain time it's going to really take more time because that word is used across the system. There is multiple occurrences. In such cases, it's going to take time. So here as well, if we learn, it's going to find messages, that text I found somewhere, or if it is in the global menu, the icon would be so. So anywhere that is there, you will be able to replace it. Now, this thing what we have said, just even with the activity, we have matched that. So I wanted only to be replace this altogether with this great word. So the end result that we have got is very many. So if you want to exclude, so this acronym there were multiple occurrences. I don't want all places. I want to exclude certain places. I could do that here by enabling it. Okay. So now since I have not got many people search results, I just click on read things. Then let's go back and page and see if it has been replaced. Okay. So this is how if I want my text to be something else, I could manipulate this into previous text and then make the changes as per need. Okay. So this is how we can use of design this text to then changes in the application. So in next session, we're going down another tool and we will do Sandbox images. Thank you.